partners, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you the one of its kind, the best of the best, M30 Smart of AMC Innovation. You see, this beauty of AMC products is officially launched in India. I'm proud and privileged to present you the newest M30 Smart to the entire India. So, let us embrace this and ensure that this reaches to every customer, every household. AMC has built the very innovative Cook Go app, which will enable us to see the mirror reflection, what happens in our audiotherm and on our mobile. So, what is this all about? Why do we need an app? Again, it's really important. These are the innovations which helps us to stay away from any kind of a competitors and give the best technology to all our prestigious customers. So you see here, so I've just connected my mobile to the audiotherm. You see the same mirror reflections you could see here. Isn't it good about it? Now how do we use this? How do we use this? Yeah, definitely. This will help us and I'll let you know how does it help. But before that, I would like to also show you something very, very unique. The newest revolution once more which has happened, which is none other than our Navigenio, the newest Navigenio with Wi-Fi enabled control. This allows to use the power of audiotherm in the best way. And when it is connected with the Wi-Fi through your mobile, you will see the biggest revolution in terms of cooking.